Good morning everyone and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pratosh Sharma with you and you're watching News Flash. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 6.5 km Sonamarg tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir aimed at turning Sonamarg into a winter sports hub like Gulmarg. CM Omar Abdullah and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari were present. 3 hospitals along NH19 in Bhadohi district, Uttar Pradesh will provide round-the-clock medical care to the Mahakumbh pilgrims. The facilities in Orai, Gopiganj and Unch stations will open on January 14. A stone-throwing incident near Maharashtra's Jalgaon left a train window damaged, scaring Mahakumbh pilgrims aboard. Railway police have registered an FIR. IMD issued an orange alert for Delhi NCR with dense fog and temperatures as low as 7 degrees Celsius. Rainfall and thunderstorms are expected across North India by midweek. A South Korean lawmaker revealed 300 North Korean troops fighting for Russia in Ukraine have died. The soldiers were ordered to kill themselves to avoid capture. Iran is holding consultations with France, Britain and Germany on its nuclear program a week before Donald Trump's return to the White House. Canadian NDP leader Jagmeet Singh criticized Trump's tariff threats, asserting Canada's sovereignty and opposing any talk of a US-Canada merger. Indian origin MP Chandra Arya announced his bid for Canadian PM, vowing efficient governance and long-term prosperity days after Justin Trudeau's resignation. The 45-day Mahakumbh began with 1.5 crore devotees gathering at the Sangam for the Paush Purnima's Shahi Snan, marking the rare Pushya Nakshatra alignment. LA residents displaced by massive fires must wait 4 more days to return home due to the strong winds. Fire Chief Maron warned the emergency is ongoing. The Delhi High Court criticized the AAP government for delaying the CAG liquor policy report and avoiding assembly discussion, questioning its intent. Jammu and Kashmir CM Omar Abdullah praised PM Modi for reducing distances with the Sonamarg tunnel and fulfilling promises of the assembly elections in the UT. India summoned Bangladesh Deputy High Commissioner over border disputes following Dhaka's claim that India violated bilateral agreements on fencing. Outgoing Canadian PM Justin Trudeau dismissed Trump's comment about Canada as the 51st state and warned against the economic harm of proposed 25% tariffs on imports. Blue Origin postponed its New Glenn rocket launch from Florida due to technical issues during the countdown. No new date has been announced. 5 Bangladeshi nationals were arrested in South 24 Parangas for illegal entry and working at a local cloth mill using fake documents. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.